this lesson, we talk about the basic operators. Let us see the definition of an operator. Python operator is a symbol that performs an operation on one or more operands. An operand is a variable or a value on which we perform the operation. So here the words operator and operands are necessary to perform an operation. Okay, and Python supports 7 types of operators, namely arithmetic operators, comparison or relational operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, membership operators, and finally identity operators. Let us see one by one. Arithmetic operators. These arithmetic operators are used to perform an arithmetic operations. So this table shows the type of the arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. And in the floor division, the integer division is routed towards minus infinity. Next we have comparison or relation operators. So as the name suggests, the comparison or relational operators are useful to compare values. So this table shows the different types of the comparison or relational operators. Double equal symbol is used to check the equality of the left hand element with the right hand element, or left hand value with respect to the right hand value. And here the condition becomes true if the values of two operands are equal. And not equal to symbol, exclamatory mark followed by the equal symbol. Here the condition becomes true if the values of two operands are not equal, and this is the less than or greater than symbol. The condition becomes true if values of two operands are not equal. Since we have greater than and lesser than symbols, and less than or equal to, greater than or equal to symbols, this symbol less than or greater than is abandoned in Python 3, means it has been abandoned in Python 3. So we left with only greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So greater than, the condition becomes true if the value of the left operand is greater than the value of the right operand. Less than, this condition becomes true if the value of the left operand is less than the value of the right operand. And greater than or equal to, the condition becomes true if the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to the value of the right operand. And similarly, less than or equal to, the condition becomes true if the value of the left operand is less than or equal to the value of the right operand. Next we have assignment operators. These assignment operators are used for assigning values to the variable. We have discussed so far only the equal assignment operator, okay, but there are many assignment operators in Python. They are nothing but plus is equal to, minus is equal to, star is equal to, means addition and subtract and multiply and divide and modulus and exponent and floor division and. So this is how we need to read these symbols. So let us see what happens for each assignment operator. Equal symbol assigns values from right hand side operands to the left hand side operand. Means we can assign multiple values to the multiple variables which are on the left hand side. Next we have addition and, means add and. It adds right hand operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Similarly, subtract and, it subtracts right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to left operand. Similarly, it multiplies the right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Similarly, divide and modulus and exponent and fluid division and. Okay. So when we do the practical work, you will come to know how these assignment operators work. So till then, don't worry, just listen what are these. So we will do an hands-on work. Next we have bitwise operators. Bitwise operators enable us to directly operate or manipulate bits, because everything in a computer is represented by bits, that is a series of zeros and ones. One of the key usage of bitwise operators is for parsing hexadecimal colors. Okay, so this is the major advantage of bitwise operators. Let us see there. We have AND binary bitwise operator, OR binary bitwise operator, XOR, binary ones complement, binary left shift and binary right shift. Binary AND, this operator copies a bit to the result if it exists in the both operands. Binary OR operator, this operator copies a bit if it exists in either operand, means any one. Binary XOR, this operator copies the bit if it is set in one operand but not both. Binary ones complement, this operator is unary and has the effect of flipping bits. Binary left shift, the left operand's value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. And binary right shift operator, the left operand's value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. Once again we will see how these works in our practical work. Next we have logical operators. So these are useful to check two variables against the given condition and the result will be true or false appropriately. So here we have logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT gate. If both operands are true, then condition becomes true in logical AND. If any one of the two operands are non-zero, then condition becomes true in logical OR. And logical NOT is used to reverse the logical state of its operand. Next we have membership operators. So membership operators are useful to test if a value is found in a sequence, that is string, list, tuple, set or dictionary. There are two membership operators in Python, in and not in. Means if the particular element in a sequence exists, then it results true. Means results true if a value is in the specified sequence and false otherwise. Not in operates, results true if a value is not in the specified sequence. So it is opposite of in, and false otherwise. And finally we have an identity operators. Identity operators are useful to test if two variables are present on the same part of the memory. There are two identity operators in Python, is and is not. Is results true if the variables on either side of the operator point to the same object, and false otherwise. And is not results false if the variables on either side of the operator point to the same object, and true otherwise. So these are the 7 types of basic operators in Python. So let us see the practical work on how these basic operators work in our practice session.